In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files and links to tasks in Todoist. Being able to add files and links directly to a task is a great way to keep everything you need in one place. You're not hunting through emails or folders when it's time to get work done. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open Todoist and navigate to the project where your task is located. Find the specific task you want to work with and open it. You can do this by clicking on the task name itself. This will bring up the task details panel on the side or in a pop-up window, depending on your layout. Make sure you can clearly see the task information, like its title, due date, and any existing comments or activity. Next, look for the comment option inside the task. This is usually represented by a speech bubble icon or a button labeled comment. Go ahead and click on that. A comment field will appear, and this is where you can add notes, updates, and importantly, attachments and links related to that task. Think of the comment section as the conversation and resource area for that item. Now, to attach a file, look for the small paperclip icon inside the comment area. This is the standard icon Todoist uses for file attachments. Click on the paperclip, and a file picker window will open. From here, you can choose a file from your computer or device. Select the file you want to attach, confirm your choice, and wait for it to upload. You'll see the file appear inside the comment before you post it. This could be a document, an image, a PDF, or any other supported file type that adds context to the task. If instead of a file you want to attach a link, you'll do that directly in the comment field. Click into the comment box and paste the link right there. This could be a link to a website, a shared document, a cloud folder, or any online resource. Once you've pasted the link, you can add a short note explaining what it is, so anyone viewing the task understands why it's there. When you're ready, submit the comment. Todoist will usually recognize the link and make it clickable. That's all you need to attach both files and links to your Todoist tasks, keeping your work organized and easy to access.